Oh, sorry, this is a square here. Sorry, square right, yeah. Long 5 right plus line, 150. 6 left minus 50.
Would you rather rally or golf on a day like this?
Probably golf. Golf's finished.
Kawamutu. Morning, bro.
Morena. So we are on our way to Hodel Road Rally Sprint in Maihihi.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. It's raining. It was raining last night, so it's pretty wet, as you can see out the window.
Aere mai.
Pretty grey out there.
Kihi. Kia ora.
Kia ora. So that means that it's going to be muddy. Not sure if we'll get all 4 runs today, because generally when the road cuts up, they pull the pin because the road damage
costs a fortune.
Costs too much.
I don't even get them started on the road damage.
We can't damage the road too bad, so we'll see if we only get 1 or 2 runs or 3, whatever. But not too bothered. We've had a mission with car prep this week with a gearbox swap, thanks to Ben and Dad helping, obviously. And then last night we had a little thing with the steering column, so I had to pull the turbo off again. And the way that we've done the turbo and downpipe, it just makes that like a real mission, because it's been heat cycled too many times. So that's getting higher on the list to fix and make that better. But anyway, we're here and the car is good. So we'll just give it a nudge.
Last round of the season for the Rally Sprint Series anyway. Alan's currently leading championship, but with the round to drop, there's others that haven't dropped around yet, so or others that have 0 points for one of their rounds. Because depending on where those people finish today will determine sort of the outcome. 3rd place, that's probably like the most realistic expectation, but we'll see how we go. Alright, off to do Recce. Sorry, forgot the good camera with the microphones, but we're going to write our notes for the first time ever in a competitive setting. Yeah, boy. So we'll see how we go.
We just had a bit of a stressful thing when the speed sensor's broken, so we're stuck on launch control. But James, legend out of Ben's crew, has fixed it with zip ties, so we're going to give it a send. Not sure how long it will last because it's just holding on, but if it gets to the end of the run, then that's mean. Otherwise we'll be limited to 4,500 RPM, which isn't enough. Do you reckon we need the heat?
No.
Yeah.
So Fleur's door's open. Thanks.
So I'm just going to switch it back to manual.
10:12. Why is that? Is that ahead of time? Oh, it's 1 hour ahead.
Don't matter.
20 seconds.
Okay.
Hi, bro. Start 50. Flat 6 left 100. Flat 6 right plus 150. 7 right line up. 6 right minus and 6 left. 150 over crest. 5 right plus, nips into 6 left, very long, tightens 5 plus. And 4 right up, 50.
Way a bit ahead.
Yep. 4 right here, up, 50. 4 right, 7 left, 50. 5 left plus and 5 left plus, 50.
Oh, this stuff is so good.
6 right and 4 left plus. 6 left. At the thing here, yep.
What's this?
And 6 left nips, 5 right plus.
Jeez.
Sorry, 7 left, yep. 7 right, 100. 6 right minus, 250.
Yeah. Oh wait, what's that?
Caution, 6 right over crest into flat 6 left. I think it's a 6 right here. The caution's here, yeah. Oh. Keep going, sorry.
Stay tuned for who our next co-driver is. You take that name off there, boy.
Caution, 6 right over crest into flat, 6 left, go. Nice. 7 left braking, 6 left. Oh, sorry, this is a square here. Sorry, square right, yeah.
Just leave me alone, I know what to do.
Long 5 right plus line, 150. 6 left minus, 50. Down, 4 left minus, tarmac. 5 right, through bridge.
Ooh.
Wee, flat 6 left plus, 100.
Yeah.
Very long 6 left plus, go. Very, very long here.
Yeah, oh, but we're a bit more speed than I thought.
Yeah. 7 right, 100.
Oh.
Yeah, very, very long, very, very long. 7 right, 100, 5 left plus, 200. 6 right and 6 left plus through finish.
Hey Ben, shout out. Nicole, shout out.
Shout out James.
That diff is so good. Hey, well done.
Mine's a bucky.
Hey, all credit to the diff. Big, oh, that diff.
Hey, credit Hayden as well.
Hey, Hayden.
Diff
Yeah, shout out Hayden. Shout out Ben. Oh, that's so fun. I don't even know how fast it is, but it is fun.
Hey.
Well, you felt that, eh?
Yeah, that's hooked up.
It's controlled,
It's
man.
so hooked up, yeah.
I can get it to do exactly what I want.
We're a bit ambitious on some of those last ones at the end, eh? That should have been 5.
There's quite a lot of them that didn't really make sense. I had to kind of drive them what I was saying.
Yeah.
But it's all good, eh?
Oh, thank God that speedo worked.
Oh, the dream stays alive. Hey, the dream stays alive.
Alright, run 2 now. First run, we fixed the speed cable, James fixed it, so he's the goat. Run 2 coming up.
Probably want some demisting, you reckon?
Probably.
Nice, bro. Have a good one, eh?
Yeah, bro. Start 50, flat 6 left, 100. Flat 6 right plus, 150. 7 right, line up. 5 right plus, stay out. Tightens 4 minus. 6 left, into 5 right minus, and 5 left minus. 100 here, go. 7 left, line 100, 200 mud. Ooh. 6 right narrow, 5 left plus, into 5 right minus, and 5 left plus, and 4 right, and 5 left, and 4 right, nips, into 3 left plus. 6 right minus 250. Caution at the end, 6 right over crest into flat 6 left, go. Nice. Square right. Long 5 right. Line 150. 6 left minus 50. 50. 5 left plus, go. Nice. 5 left plus, go here. Flat over crest, flat 80. 7 right, go line.
Yeah, next one.
7 left, brake. 6 left. So 7 left here and a 6 left. Into 5 right plus. Into 5 left plus, 30. Very long 5 right plus, opens, tightens 5. Very long. Very long, flat 7 right over crest. Keep in. Keep in here. Yeah, very long 7 left plus, 50.
Yeah, next one.
6 right minus, 150 over crest.
That's too high.
Yeah.
Change it to a 5 plus.
Yep, 6 right and 6 left plus over finish.
All good.
nice.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I think we carried speed much better there.
Yeah, we did. You were more committed on the 6s where they were like blind and shit.
Yeah.
And anything with a distance, you were like, you know.
Yeah.
I think it's good. But that is what it is now, so.
Yeah.
You know,
I mean, no, I was happy. It's good. Like, a couple of those nights definitely wrong. After the Marshall point, way too ambitious.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that night that I just said, change that.
You'll have to watch the video now. Yeah. And then you tell me, okay?
I've already just told you.
Well, I can't remember where the Marshall point is.
It's in the thing, in the notes. It says
the radio.
Yeah, radio point.
Oh.
The 6 after that is like 5 at minus. Coming in there hot.
Dean, why'd you tell me?
Thank you.
Cheers. 6:25.
6:25?
Yeah.
10 seconds. And like a worse road condition.
Yeah.
It's good. Someone's monstered a cone, yeah.
So there's a 6 left radio point and 6 left nips. Is it after the radio point?
Yeah. 6 left after the radio point.
We'll watch the video because it's too confusing. I want to make sure it's perfect.
What's the Korean word for hello?
Not sure.
What did he say? Oh, you cut that bit out then. Second run, yeah, we just finished second run. It was quite muddy, but I loved it. It's been very fun with the new front diff. Thank you to Ben.
Mate, where's Pure Quality?
Thank you to Ben and Nicole, shout outs. We just chucked it on there.
Pure Quality.
Pure Quality, there we go. Just clean that off.
And wait, we got other sponsors now, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Crafted Signs. New sponsors coming. Stay tuned, eh? Stay tuned. 6-Star Transport. Thank you to Harley. Sorry, we went to go get a speed sensor off Harley just now. Dad went there, tried to take it out of 4 gearboxes, broke all 4. So just had to come back. Sorry, Harley, we broke your speed sensors.
Sorry, Harley, but hey, if you ever need anything transported anywhere,
make it up to him by using his transport company, 6-Star Transport, all over New Zealand. And Subtech, also they got the gearbox sorted. It's been a whole thing, but the gearbox has been awesome. Our Speedy Lube and Tyre, cheers Tony for the help. And the second run in summary was fun. The notes were better this time, Nate.
we're writing our own notes,
Nate,
like from scratch.
Nate sometimes thinks I have more brain capacity than I have and gets too far in front, and then I get confused. So it's my fault. But he adjusted and we're much better.
We wrote our own notes from scratch and we didn't end up in a wall.
Yeah, we wrote them from scratch and they're not terrible, they're pretty good, but there's some changes we've got to make.
Yeah.
But we're having fun, it's main. We did alright, we might be inside the top 8. It'll be close, put the results there.
Yeah.
I don't know if we've made it or not, but you guys do. So thumbs up for making it, thumbs down if we didn't. Third run coming up.
Tidy 6 right, don't go wide.
That's not plus. Late 5 left plus. That's not it.
Huh?
Late 5 left. The late 5 left plus. That's not
that one there.
You take that.
Tidy 6 right, don't plus 150. Tidy 6 right, don't go wide. Rate my notes out of 2. 6 right.
Rate your notes out of 2?
Yeah.
1.5.
Your OnlyFans cam on?
Yep. Only foot, OnlyFans.
Is it?
What do you mean?
Is it on?
I just turned it on.
Huh.
Is it not blinking? Might be flat.
Oh, there we go. Told you. Alright, you good, bro?
Yeah, mate.
Wave to the fam, Billam.
Yeah, give them a wave.
Start 50, flat 6 left, 100. Flat 6 right plus, 150. Shrubia tyres are colder. 7 right, line up. 6 right minus, and 6 left. 5 right plus, stay out, tightens 4 minus. Very long, 5 right plus, opens. 5 right minus, hug. 4 left at post, 100. You're alright, 4 left here, 100. 6 left, plus.
Oh no, the thing fell off. That's alright.
Yep. 6 right here, 250 line. 6 right minus.
Okay, bro.
Yeah, that's all good. 6 right minus here. 250.
No, just 2 or 3, bro.
Yeah. Into flat, 6 left, go. Go! Square right. Long 5 right.
Oh, it's working again, kind of. Oh.
6 left minus 50, 6 left tightens 5, 80. Let's not make any stupid mistakes now.
Stupid mistake. They're just coming on and off.
Flat over crest, 80. Yeah, but you don't want to be mid-corner and it's not there.
Yeah.
7 right, go, line.
Can't trust it.
7 left, brake.
Keeping an eye behind us, eh?
Yeah, I am. And 6 right, right through bridge.
So it's showing like 20 k's the whole time, so it's kind of working. It's real weird.
Flat 6 left plus, 100. Very long 7 left plus, 50. 5 right minus.
So that needs to like be on the same page, bro.
Yeah, I would, yeah. No time to like...
Yeah, like it's like actually quite a high risk. Straight into the thing.
Yeah. And 6 right and 6 left plus.
Well, that kind of sucked. It's showing 50 k's an hour at the moment, so it's like kind of like, is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, well, easy run for the car. Okay, good work. Is what it is, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so we made the top 8. That was mean. Went for the top 4 run off, and it cut out mid-run. James's magical zip tie fix to work for 2.5 runs. So that was all good, but that was really slow, and basically we just cruised out. It wouldn't go above like 4,500 RPM.
So what's actually...
So basically this plug has broken off the gearbox. Has to zip tie it down, and hopefully the wires in the middle make contact. It's pretty unlikely, but James got it to work.
I worked mean for 2 runs.
Worked so good, I couldn't believe it. Anyway, we're going to try zip tie it again in case we go out again, but it maybe not.
The road's getting cut up. Look at all that mud out there.
Yeah, there's some big ruts, eh?
I'll say goodbye to these, bro?
This is Nathan's co-driver champ trophy. He's got to give it back today, so he's real sad.
Well said.
Because he might not ever win another one.
Not with your driving. And that's your, was it, star of the series?
From Grant Liston, legend. Shout out Grant.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're handing them back today.
Alright.
You take those back,
Just keep it rolling, keep it rolling.
Keep it rolling.
Alright.
In the rain. Hey, kiss it, kiss it.
Bye-bye. Say
Kiss
bye-bye.
Keep it rolling. Oh, thank you. Are we all done, eh?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, cheers, thank you. I will try. Yeah, this.
Post-rally mukbang. What do you got?
Oh, 2-piece quarter pack. A bit dry.
I've just demolished Zinger Tower Burger.
But hungry because I didn't really eat today.
Yeah.
Always do
I
that.
didn't have much time, eh? It was that busy.
Hamilton Car Club run a fast event. It's good. So
Yeah,
shout out.
Good. Shout
Well
out
done.
Hamilton Car Club.
Well done, boys.
Oh.